Get this damn mic up on my face.
Hey, Mom. We're too fast and we're too strong. We gotta win on the inside. There's nobody.
They always catching me, bro. Like, come on, bro.
Y'all got me on record right now. Cowboys win. One of us gonna get a sack. Or both. Can't promise you who. Or both, but it's bound to happen.
Hey, start fast. They don't have to hang around. Start fast. Punch them early and keep it going. All day. Let's go now. Keep shooting.
We're gonna win big. We're gonna hit them in their mouth. Have fun. We're gonna smile while we're doing it. Take my ass home. Have a glass of wine. That's it.
Communicate and move as one. Play together and play fast now. All together. All as one. We're down there. Got them. Let's go 2-1. Let's go 1-9.
2 glasses of wine for me.
That's it. Simple as that.
And they're going without a huddle. Prescott in the gun with Elliott to his left. 3rd and 1. Handoff Elliott coming right. Foot in the ground. Nice block outside. Right sideline to the 50. Hash marks for the first points of the game. And the kick by Sideline is up and good. And snap is back. Pressure from Gregory and Parsons. Throws it on the run. Almost intercepted by Diggs.
Okay, so the first one right here was duo. It was straight duo, okay? Yeah. Randy, that's a great job of hitting the double team. Stronger outside arm, okay?
3rd down and 8. Cowboys need a play.
See what I'm saying? Like, as you get hit on that double, you need to have a stronger inside arm.
Prescott in the gun. They blitz him. Prescott throws it down the right side for Lamb.
Back. Look at this. Back.
Caught it. 10-5. Dancing in. Touchdown. They need a play. There's a play.
Hard to stop. You know what I'm saying? If you run like that, it's hard to stop. I'm telling you, all of y'all too fast to overthrow. When I put your head down, run like that, find it later, it's hard to stop. I already know it. Stay at it. Catch on the
When it's in the air, I lose control. I don't think about running. That's why I get faster. When I'm thinking about running, it get ugly.
Jones on 1st down with play action. Rushed, throws deep right. Intercepted, but it's out of bounds.
That one on the sideline that he caught, that was out of bounds, and the one that he bobbled.
Yep.
Oh, man. He gonna get one, bro.
He just finds the ball, bro. He just finds the ball. The quarterback gotta stop trying it.
41 seconds left in the half. Snap is back, protected, throwing it over the middle of the Cooper to the goal line. Perfect throw. Touchdown, Cooper.
Let's go. Execute one at a time. One at a time. Don't press. One at a time.
Do not give up. I'm telling you, the game will change and we will get to it. Just keep going. Just keep going.
As the snap, good block from Steele. Blitz coming. Now he runs right. Prescott will throw on the run. Caught by Schultz at the 40.
Schultz nice. He's nice. He got to get the bag, too. This is 4th year. Somebody, you got to get the bag.
Between the 4 and the 5. Man in motion. Fake the fly sweep. Fake the pitch. Toss it right to Elliott. Walk that dog right on in. Giants from the 25. Glennon play action. Lots of time going deep. And he's got a man down the middle of the field. And the ball is intercepted by Diggs. There's his interception for the week. Cowboys have the ball back.
I mean, they can keep trying to play out there. That works in our favor. Go right ahead, sir.
That is so bright, man. Bro, I can't even see.
I can't see.
Oh, my God.
Snap back and a handoff on the inside. Give to Pollard, breaking 3 tackles to the 30. Giants jump offside. Free play. Prescott will throw deep. Down the left side for Wilson over the shoulder, and he got it.
That was beautiful. That was beautiful.
Cedric, you couldn't throw it. Try to catch it.
Drops into the bucket, man. They ain't want to challenge that. They know.
In the gun, Prescott, inside handoff, Elliott. Bouncing right with a convoy to the 5. Touchdown, Ezekiel Elliott.
He's good. 21 and 20, they good.
Hey, we talked about it at the beginning of that. My ribs. Watch out his ribs, yeah. I'll be my bro. We talked about it at the beginning of that drive. That's what I'm talking about. We talked about going to do it right there. That's the way to go. You do it, big boy. That's a big thing. 98 yards. Every time we went and did it, more important. Good man. Stop the damn doing that. Good. That's it. We went 90 days. We said we was going to do it. We did it. Deserves a touchdown. It's like in a fullback. Instead of taking it up.
Glennon back to throw.
5 G plays in a row.
A wobbler out to the right. Anthony Brown's got it. Down the left sideline with the pick. Down the sideline and into the end zone. Pick 6 for Brown.
Love to see you doing. Love to see you doing. Love you too. Hey, where'd it go? Where'd the dollar, man? Hell of a job. I miss you. I miss you. You're doing a great job. You're doing a great job. Keep doing it. Let's go. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? You all right? Yes, sir. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Thank you. Nice to see you. Yeah, keep going.